mornings mga ka-eagles. Good mornings. So nami diri karon sa Binubungan Elementary School. So nami diri activity karon sa Eagles mutabang mi ani nga school. Remote area kay ni diri sa mga ka-partner diri sa Upol part sa Misamis Oriental. So nami diri karon para pagtabang sa kani nga school. So
First, good morning to the PNP personnel and especially to the Citihomes Eagles Club. Good morning and welcome to Binubungan Elementary School. To begin with, may I request everyone to please rise.
God loving men for country's sake, all for strength and mind and energy. We dedicate fraternal love, service for the good of all humanity. We're eagles, guiding eagles, lasting peace on our mission. We're eagles, spread to the people, pillars of the nation. For brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. Give residents of human care, we will share our lives to all humanity.
Sa inyo mga sir, sa inyong makanunayon nga pagsuporta diri sa among school. So, murag, I think, tanaw na ako, murag daghan siguro bag-o pa diri, no? So, acknowledge na ako paninaa diri sa attendance. Okay, so let's begin to new president, sir. Good morning. Next, si Hainal Simbano. Okay. Sunod, si Edwin Polinar. Okay. Next, Gonzalo Cu. Okay.
Of appreciation is presented to Citihomes Eagles Club for selfless dedication and continued commitment to our school in support of the Brigada Eskwela 2023, given this 12th of August 2023 at Binubungan Elementary School, Nahulugan, Malanang, Opol, Misamis Oriental. Signed by our school head, Olga C. Talavera.
My good friend, my partner, since 2018 when I arrived in Binubungan Elementary School, Sir Mario Bali. And to the previous officers, ako mga friends na rin akong pintan, Sir Pronix Impron, Sir Koya Dins, no? And Sir Kagawad Aljab, Sir si Koya Vera, o siyempre nga akong kababayan at may kumpare, Boy Abargas. Umalis na mga partners na pag-abot rin, no? Salamat kayo. Ever generous stakeholders sa Binubungan Elementary School.
it's my turn. Mainit ba?
Video. Live.
Walang para. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Video. Hey. What straight? Pagkakagawad.
Pohon to nato ni panikamutan na.
Itabangan na ano naman nila.
Iko garden kaya. Oy, ali kagawa jo.
Officer, sa likod. Bisita officers. Unyarang member officer. Officers, goal. Ikan sign.
Sa pag-uswag.
Banta. Tanan officer. Ayun ang team. Dali na tanan.
Lamigas na ganito. Dito.
Ikan sign. Okay.